Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power to the fixture and verifying it's dead with a non-contact tester so you avoid shocks. Once done, set a stable ladder at a comfortable angle and spread a drop cloth beneath to catch debris. Make sure your replacement bulb matches the fixture's wattage and base type. Using the wrong bulb risks heat damage or poor fit. Wear gloves to protect the glass and your hands, and keep the old bulb in a safe container for disposal or recycling. You should let the bulb cool for several minutes to avoid burns, then steady the fixture or trim with one hand while you work with the other. Once stable, release any retaining clips or unscrew the bulb counterclockwise. If it's stuck, gently wiggle while applying steady pressure to prevent breakage. After removal, inspect the socket and wiring for corrosion, loose connections, or melted components so you know whether you can proceed or need a repair. Document what you see for reference. You install the new bulb by aligning the base and turning clockwise until snug or fastening the clip-type retainer. Avoid over-tightening, which can crack the bulb or strip the socket. Once installed, restore power at the breaker and test the spotlight. Make sure it lights steadily without flicker, buzzing, or heat buildup. If you see flicker or smell burning, shut power off immediately and recheck the socket connection and bulb seating. If that doesn't fix it, call a licensed electrician for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.